for joining the Gullah Geechee Nation, all mobile productions and the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition for the 2016 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Celebration of self-determination. Come for the Gullah Geechee Reunion Day and meet we artists of the year, Amiri Ferris. Yeah, honey children. Come on, get some of this your art right here. And Yeti, the one and only Gwen Yvette, who's so in love, right up on this your course. And the one and only Queen Quet, going there in the house one more again, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Bringing together the family, including we motivational speaker, Sharonda Barksdale, coming back home. We got Anastasia Ketchens in the house. We sweetgrass maker and thing like that from South Kakalaki. Meeting Brother Gregory Grant from the Georgia Sea Islands and thing, bringing that sweetgrass on home and bringing them on in. So honey children know how we do this here and way men. Honey go I see the quilters and thing there and thing like that. Still love the whole on this your party culture. And then we healers going there in the house, a soulful touch wellness. And then how else we going to be but naturally Geechee. And so we want honey children but come on down to Chucktown and be part of this your Gullah Geechee journey. Make sure that you call we at 843-838-1171. Come for the party with a purpose with Wilmington on fire. And the one and only Christopher Everett and party cast going did it in the house. And we did a Scott's Grand. And then you go see we ran the one and only chef Benjamin Dennis back one more again this year at the Charleston Maritime Center. This year thing going down in Chucktown. The Lighthouse Theater going shine the light right and bright. For 100 children find your way. But if you ain't nowhere for go to gullahgeechee.info. If honey ain't nowhere for go to gullahgeechee.info. Follow we at Gullah Geechee, Yeti the drum, and you know where for come. Join me for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Yes, sir, this year going to be a celebration of self-determination.
Hey, hey, hey.